everybody, it's James back, and today I have the Mini 5 Pro. I have the RC2 controller with the DJI Mic 3 attached to the controller with the noise cancellation activated. I'm going to show you ActiveTrack today. I'm going to go ahead and take off and show you some of the settings. Let me go ahead and take off, get the craft in the air. I'm taking off the back of my truck. We got probably about a 10 to 12 mile per hour wind. I'm going to go ahead and go up a little bit so you don't have to hear the drone. But I'm going to go ahead and go into these ActiveTrack settings. Focus track enabled. Let me go ahead and highlight myself. If I could find myself. There we are. So for ActiveTrack on the left, you see the yellow spot. That is for ActiveTrack. I'm going to go ahead and highlight myself here in the center. And I'll choose ActiveTrack. Now, once everything is ready to go, see on the left side, you got the two circles around me. That positions the craft. And if you click on the three gears at the top left corner, you can go in and you can set the distance of the inner and outer circle. So if I click on outer circle here, well, actually if I scroll down, you can see that the inner radius is 13 feet, the outer radius is 16 feet, inner height 6.5 feet, outer height 13. So you can adjust all these settings. I keep them kind of close because I'm in a park around some trees and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it behind me. The drone is going to fly behind me, and I have to watch out for the trees, and I watch out for the rain clouds. It may start raining on me. So now the drone is behind me, so if I start walking, if I start moving, it's going to track me. So I'm walking in the parking lot of this park here in Texas, and I'm walking and walking, and I'm going to hit the outer ring closer behind me, and it's going to flap a little bit closer to me. It's flying up right above my head behind me. And if I turn, let's see what happens. If I turn, yes, it's doing the right thing. It's coming back behind me again. It recognizes my face and the back of my head. Now I'm going to choose to have it come in front of me at a far distance. And I'm going to continue walking as the drone continues to go around me at a higher level. And it should position itself right in front of me. Excellent. If I go to turn, the craft should adjust. Sometimes it gets kind of picky. It is still in front of me. I'm going to turn again. Let's see if it comes up in front of me again. Sometimes it gets stuck in a position, but most of the time, if it can really see me well, it's going to get up beside me here. Hello. Let's go to the right side of me. Come on. Let's go to the right. And it will stay to the right of me until I tell it to do different. Let's see what happens if I turn a little bit. Let's see if it comes over to the right. Yep. It is coming back around. Okay, let's put it directly in front of me. Now I'm going to walk backwards. And it is going to follow me. If I walk forwards, it should stay in front of me as I walk forwards. So this is ActiveTrack. There's also different modes where it will stay, it will focus on you without the drone moving. But this is ActiveTrack. So as long as I'm moving and as long as I'm telling the drone where to go, whether it be in front of me, beside me, outer ring, inner ring, it's going to continue to follow me. Let's get it closer to me on the front ring. It's going to come in a little closer to my front right. It's going to stay with me. We're going to go out to the front again. And we got a little bit of wind today, but it's holding out pretty good. Let me turn and see what it does. Let's see if it comes back around to the front of me. Walking slowly, walking slowly. Well, come on around. Here it comes, coming back around. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So the way to get out of ActiveTrack is just to hit stop at the bottom. And there's also spotlight mode and point of interest. If I hit point of interest, and then what I'll do is I chose myself in the center. Point of interest, it's just going to keep an eye on me. So if I walk way over here to the corner, the drone is not going to move, but it's going to continue to keep an eye on me. Wherever I walk around, the drone is not going to fly with me like ActiveTrack. It's just point of interest. And that's how that works. So let's get back up here. Yes, it's going to continue to look at me the whole time. Let me hit stop. And choose myself again. Let's keep it on spotlight and see what happens. Looks like with spotlight, it is going to fly around. Well, let's see if it follows me. Nope, it's not moving. It's not moving. So anyway, you got the point of interest. You got the ActiveTrack, which is awesome. And this is the way it works. So I'm going to go ahead and click off of the mode on the top, on the left corner. I'm going to go ahead and fly towards me. And we are good. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a good day. James is out of here.